So for today's tutorial, we're starting the YouTube tools series. We're learning about YouTube tools. So I'll just open a blank document to explain to you guys how this is going to happen. So the first tool here is the Move tool and the Artboard. If you used older versions of Photoshop, you would notice that this Artboard tool was not part of it before. So I think from 2019, if I'm correct, from 2019 version till now, the Artboard tool was added from 2019, and so now you can save your artworks as PDFs on Artboards, which makes work easier. So the first tool is we have this Move tool that you can use to pick objects and also help you resize whenever you want, and you can place objects how you want them. So this Move tool is basically just for moving every and anything you have on Photoshop in your document, your Artboard, this tool. So whenever you pick a tool, you're done with it. The next thing you do is either press V or you go click it to be on the safe side of picking tools and everything. So the next tool under it is the Artboard tool, which in one of my old videos I showed you guys how to save your files as PDF, and you can't do that without putting your designs on an Artboard. So I showed you guys how to create an Artboard even after making your designs without the Artboard in the first place. So if you see here, you can see this is where you did your designs before. Now you can add Artboards, everything you want to do, so on and so forth. So that's basically what this tool is for. So you can press V, or if you are using the Move tool and you want to switch, either you can come here, right click and click on this, or you can press Shift V and it will automatically pick the tool beneath it. So that goes for the same for every other tools. We'll come to that later on, but for this first episode, this is what we'll be learning. The Move tool, you can move your objects however you want, how you place them. They can work perfectly well for you and make things okay. So you can easily transform whatever is on your designs, your Artboards, and you can Shift V or right click on this, and which will bring out a tab showing you the other options of tools underneath. Then you can do as you please. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I would really love to hear what you guys think, because these videos are made for you anyway. So thank you for watching.